Okay, let's isolate this root expression. And you get 3 minus root of x plus 2. And if you square both sides here, this is a binomial square, so we're gonna get another root expression. If you square this, double the product, so it's 6 root of x plus 2, and then square that, you get x plus 2. So you still have one more, but we can isolate this. Okay, so you get minus x, that's minus 2x. And you have 3, this is 11 minus 11 here. Okay, so minus 8 minus 2x. You divide everything by negative 2. And you square both sides. 16, 8x plus x squared, 9x plus 2 when you square both sides. Alright, so you have x squared, 9x, 8x minus 9x is a minus x. 16 minus 18 is minus 2. X minus 2 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Alright, so we have x equals 2 or negative 1. And let's see, negative 1 gives you root of 4, right? Root of 1, that is equal to 3, that works. So 2, it gives you root of 1, and then root of 3, that's not going to equal to 3. So this is the extraneous root.